This video walks you through how to upload a file in Xero. Begin by opening the record where you want the file to be attached. In Xero, this could be an invoice, a bill, a contact, a bank transaction, or an expense claim. The main thing is to start from the specific record that should hold the attachment rather than trying to upload the file from somewhere unrelated. Once that record is open on screen, you can move to the attachment area, scroll through the record until you see the Attach Files section. Depending on the page you are on, you may also see an Attach Files button instead. Either option takes you to the same place, so use whichever appears in your view. If the section is lower on the page, keep scrolling until the attachment area is visible before you continue. When the attachment area is open, click Upload Files. In some cases, you can also drag and drop the file directly into that same area instead of clicking the button. If you prefer to select the file manually, use Upload Files. If you already have the file open in a folder on your computer, dragging it into the attachment area works as well. After selecting Upload Files, a file browser window will open from your computer. From there, browse to the folder that contains the file you want to add. Take a moment to confirm that you are choosing the correct file before you select it, especially if there are several documents with similar names in the same folder. Once you find the right file, click on it and confirm your selection in the browser window. Xero will then begin uploading the file. At this point, wait for the upload to finish. The length of that wait can vary depending on the size of the file and your connection, but the process usually completes within a short moment. While it is uploading, stay on the record so you can confirm that the file appears where it should. When the upload is complete, the file will appear in the attachments section of that record. This is the sign that the file has been added successfully. You can look at the attachment area to verify that the document is now listed there before moving on. If Xero prompts you to save the transaction, go ahead and save it. This keeps the uploaded attachment linked to the record. If you leave without saving when a prompt appears, the attachment may not be kept with that transaction, so it is worth checking for that final confirmation before you close the page or navigate away. Your file is now uploaded and attached to the selected record in Xero.